Lynch syndrome is an inherited hereditary cancer predisposition that really increases a person's lifetime for colon cancer, uterine or endometrial cancer, small bowel, pancreas, and so on. People who have Lynch syndrome have a very high risk for cancer, but so do their family members, as it's something that's in their genes. It's something they can pass on from one family member to the next.
Gastrointestinal cancers are the most common type of cancer worldwide. These are cancers that affect organs like a stomach and large bowel. About 25% of these cancers, the major risk factor is heredity, which means that people with this hereditary risk often will develop cancer at a young age. So standard cancer prevention measures are not adequate because they start too late to save lives in these people with special risk.
What we found is that we were able to identify these families who have Lynch syndrome, and we were able to actually do a blood test or a saliva test to confirm that it really is in their genes. It's actually causing cancer in them. But once we identified it in our patient in front of us, it was up to our patient then to go out and share this information with their family. And that's where we found sometimes the information really wasn't being shared. They're sort of stopped there. There was this roadblock.
So that is the genesis of our special program called Kintalk. So what Kintalk is all about is we've created a social media platform to allow families to communicate information about their cancer risk to one another. And it's a fantastic opportunity to conveying this information. So we're able to help families alert each other and then help direct them to the proper services.
And it also has information about how to find a genetic counselor. What does a test result mean for you? But the most important part is our secure private portal. And in this portal is where a person can upload their genetic information, their family tree, any screening recommendations that we give to them, and then we can actually have them send out invitations to their at-risk relatives. And so by sharing genetic information, they're actually giving life-saving information to their relatives. And that's really the goal of Kintalk, is empowering families through communication and education, preventing cancer, and hopefully saving lives of family members.